I finally made it to the Valley of 72 Waterfalls. Lauterbrunnen at sunrise is a dream I never want to wake up from. Just silence. Walking through these meadows feels like stepping into a fairy tale. The air is so cold and fresh, I can feel the mist on my skin. The sound of the river is the only thing you can hear here. Turquoise water straight from the glaciers. Nature's most beautiful symphony, don't you think? Waking up to this view is something I'll never take for granted. A cup of coffee and the Alps. This is what peace looks like. There's something so grounding about the forest, the smell of pine and the heavy mist. It's like the earth is whispering its oldest secrets. As the sun sets, the village lights up like a jewelry box. Goodbye, Lauterbrunnen. You've been more than a dream. You've been my sanctuary.